Hey everybody, as you know, they call it the winter cyclone, powerful coast-to-coast storm system that's hitting Thanksgiving week. As you know, the storm that's flooding in here with heavy rain, heavy snow, and blizzard type that's hitting the East Coast, but also down everywhere pretty much in the Midwest and Northern California, Oregon, and the mountains full of snow. Reports of blackout at Oakland Airport and the 5 toward Reddings and Grapevines. Heavy snow, heavy traffic, and flash floods warnings all through southwestern California in San Diego, Orange counties, and the rainfalls from 1 to 3 inches. They said 40 to 50 miles per hour of high winds and surrounding dangerous snowfall down in the mountains and Las Vegas and so far snowflakes. So already right now there's heavy snow in the Rockies in the Midwest. Denver, up to 10 inches of snow reported in the Denver airport, international airports, and this is at 150 flights stranded. More
in terms of connections and all that, we don't know because we don't know when the power will be out, okay? So just sit tight with us and we'll let you know as soon as we know.
There's hazardous happenings in there. There's 3 feet of snow in parts of northern Colorado and Wyoming, and there's Interstate 70 up in Vail, and I don't know what it means. Interstate 70, basically. There's tons of snow, traffic, Great Lakes. There's heavy storm, blizzard, and winter weather extending all over the Great Lakes, Michigan, Minnesota, Wisconsin. 60 inches of snow in Minnesota, 9 to 12 inches blowing. So yeah, it's pretty bad. So that's our Thanksgiving, is heavy rain and snow with this winter cyclone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.